Welcome to PA Timber Gives. Today is July 4th. We're going to cook some burgers on the Char Griller. Still going strong. I've been cooking a lot of things on the grill. Chickens, pork roasts. Cooked a half a turkey on this so far. I'm going to cook some burgers today, so I don't need a lot of charcoal. Been adding some wood to my charcoal lately because the price of charcoal is also going up. You don't need a lot, just a few small pieces. Too much wood will make too much heat. Usually what I do is I put this on the bottom, and then I'll put the charcoal on top, and then we're going to put some Kingsford on top. Small pieces of wood actually help a lot. It actually puts out a lot of heat. Here's my 4 pieces of wood on the bottom. Put our charcoal on top. Got some hamburgers I made today, and we're going to put some corn on the grill. For some reason, corn tastes much better when it's on the grill. And you don't have to put a lot of charcoal in there for cooking burgers. I'm going to put a few more on there. I'm not going to fill the grill up either. I'm going to, hopefully you can see that, I have an opening on this side that there's no charcoal, and I'll usually put the burgers on the top. When they get close to being done, then I'll put them down on the iron grill. Give them some color. Finish them off a little bit. And then we have good old Fatwood, new lighter fluid here. Not even a piece of newspaper in there. I have some little pieces that I split, and then I have some bit larger pieces. I just bought these. I believe a 5-pound box was about $12. Okay, we're going to put some of this in the charcoal. Fat wood burns really well. It's kind of smoky. Sometimes these are too big, so I like to split them. I usually use another piece of firewood, and I have a pretty thick machete down there. And what I'll do is I'll hold this down and put the machete on here, and I always have cut-proof gloves on so I can't cut myself, and split these down so you get small, slender pieces like this. They burn much easier. Get some fat wood in there. Take our trusty lighter here. You can light the end of this piece of fat wood. It usually burns pretty easily, unless the wind's blowing. There we go. Not a bad day today. Today we went to French Creek and we made a video of Crow's Nest Wildlife Preserve, which is part of French Creek. The headwaters of French Creek flows through that area, and basically it's one farm, and they kept adding farms to it to make the nature preserve larger. And because it's a preserve, it's protected forever. Houses can never be built on the farms. They are protected. Lancaster County also has a program for that. If you want to protect your farm, preserve your land so it doesn't become a housing development, you can also look into that. Got lots of yard work done this weekend, things I keep putting off. Got lots of projects around the house. They never seem to end. Things that always need attention. If you're a homeowner, you always have something to fix or repair, and there's never an end to that. Alright, we'll let our charcoal heat up here, and we'll be back with some burgers in a few minutes. It'll probably take about 20 minutes for that to heat up. I have a nice rolling fire now. Turn the camera around. You can tell how much heat that fat wood can put out. My charcoal is already starting to turn white. So we'll be back in a few minutes when that heats up. Alright, our grill's at 400 degrees. We'll heat up our frying pan. Kind of smoky. Put our bacon in there. We're gonna have some bacon cheeseburgers. Bacon's starting to sizzle. We'll put our burgers on here. I like to put my burgers up on the top. Maybe they cook a little slower. Get a little bit more flavor in the burger. I think I'm going to put my bacon on the top here in my pan. Smells delicious. Yeah, I think I'm going to put my bacon on the side here. I running out of room on the top grate. Close her up. And that thermometer on the grill will go all the way up past 400 degrees. Alright, we'll let that cook for a while, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Bacon. Bacon out the front here. Looking nice. Let's see how fast the temperature gauge goes up. It goes up fairly quickly. Still going. It's going to hit 400. There we go, 400 degrees. It's really cranking now. 450. Still going. Alright, it stopped at 450 degrees. delicious corn. Have our tasty bacon for the top of our cheeseburgers with our jalapeno cheese. Flame broiled. The wood in the bottom is really throwing out some heat now. It singed all the hair off my hands already. We did a nice char on our corn, and we'll be done here in a few minutes. Embers are still glowing in the bottom. Alright, thanks for watching PA Timber Gifts. Thanks for coming along today. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. We'll take our food off the grill here. We'll go in and we'll put our burgers together. And it'll be time to eat here very shortly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.